Topping our news tonight, as of today, the state of California has sent out millions of prepaid debit cards and direct payments to Californians in an effort to provide inflation relief. This is all part of the California Middle Class Tax Refund program, but some lawmakers say their constituents have reached out in frustration over possible fraud and the inability to access their money. 17's Capitol correspondent Eitan Wallace has reaction from an assembly member who is now calling for an audit of this program.
We need to make sure that we get to the bottom of this.
That's the message from Assemblymember David Alvarez amid concerns over California's Middle Class Tax Refund program. Authorized by the legislature last summer and supported by the governor, the program intended to distribute payments worth $400 to $1,050 for married couples who filed a joint return in 2020 and $200 to $700 for other filers. The exact amount each person receives depends primarily on their income. Data from the Franchise Tax Board shows as of mid-January, the state issued more than 7 million direct deposits and more than 9 million debit cards, coming to a total of about $9.1 billion of taxpayer money distributed so far.
I am very, very aware of how difficult it has been over the last couple of years for families. This was supposed to be to help them, and that is the intent.
But he's also aware of issues facing the program, and now Alvarez wants the state to take action. It all comes amid reports coming directly from some of his constituents and others that they either cannot access their funds or that their funds are not on the card at all.
Republicans and Democrats, they're all asking questions. They're all concerned.
Now, we journalists are typically not supposed to make the story about ourselves, but in this particular case, let's make an exception. You see, in full transparency, I received my own Middle Class Tax Refund debit card in the mail. And you can see here it is. It comes with a sticker to activate the card, and that is immediately what I did.
I called the number on the sticker, all part of an automated card activation process that was relatively simple.
To activate your card, press 1.
I entered my personal information and was told the card has $350 on it. So far, so good.
But then things took a turn when I came here to the bank to transfer the funds. To my shock, the teller told me the card had just $5.74 on it.
Confused, I called back the number on the card to confirm whether this was true. And sure enough,
your balance is $5.74.
That's when I opted to speak with an operator.
Good morning. Yes, I'd like to report an issue with my card.
The operator shared the vast majority of the funds on the card had been spent in Las Vegas. Only problem, I've not been to Vegas in years. When you hear a story like mine, what goes through your mind?
A disappointment in the system.
For its part, the Franchise Tax Board released this statement saying fraud is minimal. Quote, we anticipated the possibility of malfunctions and fraud or other wrongdoing, but we have no indication that fraud is a widespread issue with this unprecedented program. Still, Alvarez, who is the chair of the Joint Legislative Audit Committee, sent this letter to his colleagues asking them to approve an audit over how the Franchise Tax Board administered the program.
We're trying to find, with all these questions, is who hasn't been helped, how are you going to make sure that they do get help, and if there was any fraud, who's going to be held accountable for that.
And if you received a payment and feel you may be a victim of fraud, you're asked to call the number on the back of the card. Reporting from the state capitol, Eitan Wallace, 17 News.